Okay, welcome grade 4s and grade 4 parents. We've decided just to make a few videos to keep the grade 4 learners up to par and not be left too far behind when we start again. So we're going to start off with some term 2 work, that which is on page 54 of your Afrikaans is Groot textbook. In chapter 6, we're starting off with the theme Naomi's Ouma, which means Naomi's grandmother. And we're going to do a story later on about this topic. But before we get there, we start off by teaching our learners a few new Afrikaans words, which will help them to understand the story a little bit better when they get to read it. And uh, I want to direct your attention to a few new words, which is on page 54 and 55. The words is listed here. First word that we've got here is hemp, which means shirt, rok, which means dress, trui, which means jersey, and so it continues. It's pretty self-explanatory because the English word is right next to the Afrikaans word. And it continues on to page 55. And there's some more words all the way up to the end here, which is flick. What I need my learners to do is to learn these Afrikaans words. They should know the Afrikaans word for the English word. So, in other words, if I say, what is Afrikaans for dress? My learners should know that it is rok. My learners should also know how to spell it. So, my parents, what I need you to do for me, please, is to help your children to learn these words. So, how do we do that? So, what you can do is you can start off by asking them to write it out. By repeating this a few times, they will actually learn it quite quickly. I teach my children to write words out about 5 times. So how do they write it? They write the word, let's say, we write the word trui and next to it the word jersey. And they can write that out about 5 times. They can write the next word, which is hood, next to it the meaning of that word in English, which is hat, and then write it out 5 times. And they continue that with this whole list of new words. Then what you can do is you can sit back and then randomly, not in order, but randomly, you can ask them, okay, what is Afrikaans for cake? And you can allow the learner or the child to look up that word and say it, and they need to say it out loud. If they find the word and say it, wonderful. And then you can continue to do that with all the words. If they're struggling to find the word, help them. Don't let them struggle too long to find it. Please assist them to find the word and assist them, and then go back to a new random word, and then the word that they were struggling with, go back to that word again and ask it again, just to get them to try to remember it. After they've successfully verbally found the words and said the words, you can move on to a spelling test. Maybe give them some time to go learn it, and then ask them to come, and then you give them a spelling test. And how do you do that? You can first of all start off by doing it in an open book fashion. So for instance, you would ask the word, let's say you would ask the word takkies, what is Afrikaans for takkies? And you would allow them to go look for the word and then copy it correctly and write it down. And you can do that with all the words. When they've done that successfully, or if they've made mistakes, get them to write it out again 5 times, the word on which they made a mistake, and then do the test again. Then you progress by giving them maybe some time again to go learn it again, and then come back and have a closed book test. You would ask the English word, or you would ask the word, what is Afrikaans for drive, for instance? And they would then need to write the Afrikaans word and spell it correctly, but now in this progression not be allowed to go look up the word. They need to um, write down this word from memory, and then that is the next level on learning these spelling words. You repeat this until they really get a grasp for it, and yes, that's how I do it. Let's just move back here quickly. If you have any questions, you are welcome to WhatsApp me or give me a call. If you're on the group, you do have my number. Thank you very much, and don't be too hard on them. Be patient, and obviously what I've explained to you now doesn't happen in 5 minutes. It might take a while, so if you do this over the next 2 to 3 days, they should be able to get a good grasp of these new Afrikaans words. Great. Happy spelling!